Whoa. So, that's it. Last day in Japan. Throat's a bit better, but very sad. Last day in Japan. Gonna meet the lads for a coffee. Have a chat about what we're doing for the day. Bag is packed. Other bag is packed. That's all rubbish. So many bottles of water they leave. They leave 2 a day. It's great. So, yeah. Let's head for a coffee and chat about what's next. Enjoy the video. Parked up and in Shibuya for, well, Shibuya to see Hachi and a few more shops before we head home. Hey baby.
How you doing?
How you doing? One thing Darnell wanted to see, the doggo by the station that waited for his owner for, I think it was 12 years, and the owner was dead, and then the doggo died.
That's the cute.
Puppy. Oh yeah.
Yeah, actually won't.
Nummy, nummy. This is nummy. Yeah. No, it's not that hot.
Actually works pretty well.
Oh,
Cheese and pancake. It's
Yeah,
pretty
so
fucking
good.
tasty.
Let's be fat together. Cheers. Nom nom.
Oh, I got the edge.
Did you get some cardboard as well?
Oh,
yeah. Nummy. Because we miss Costa so much, we get a warm flat white out of the machine. Are they warm, eh?
Yeah.
It says hot. Look, right on it. Is it warm? Oh, it's actually hot, yeah. Chopping up the machine.
Got change. Right, do you want one? What do you want? Latte?
Why not? Yeah, same.
This?
No, whatever you're getting.
No, I'm getting one for you and one for me, so what do
I'll
you
get a
want?
flat white. So weird. Flat white.
Alright, what's
It's a bit strange. Which one did you get?
No, sweet latte. It's the condensed milk. You know what I mean? The
You'll give it a try. Ugh. Don't smell it, whatever you do.
yeah, mine smells alright.
It's very sweet, but it's delicious.
It's nice, isn't it? It's not bad.
Very sweet, but delicious.
No, it's non-sweet.
I got that. Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Not fucking calves anyway.
Oh, thought you were done.
No, not yet. Yeah, I got Minecraft for
Minecraft. What a beautiful day in Shibuya. We got some bits and pieces and heading back to the hotel now to pack up, to go home. We have to go home.
We're gonna be all independent.
Who's a big boy?
You're a big boy.
It's not like you just out.
Yeah, that's it. Back, pack. Time to go. So that's it, guys. Last day in Japan. Yeah, it's like 4 o'clock now. We're just gonna chill for a bit. I'm gonna watch a bit of TV, meet the lads for dinner, and then go to bed and up early in the morning for checkout and drive back to where we got the car from. Then a shuttle to the airport, then a plane to Frankfurt, and a plane from Frankfurt to Dublin. So yeah, that's it for this video. Catch you on the next one where we are going home, and yeah, I've loads of shit to sort when I get home. Once I get home, I'm going to organise getting back to work. The Monday I get back, I have to finish off my course. They allowed me to do the final exam on the Monday when I get there. Then I start work on the Tuesday and organise my finances, pay off a few bits I have to pay off, and then get that garage finished. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a like, and comment. Let me know what you think of this absolutely beautiful, silly, good place to be, city called Tokyo.